Welcome back guys, this is Take a Rig. Today Honor X10 camera test. Camera wise this device main highlight 40 megapixel IMX 600 ROIP sensor. Same Huawei P30 main lens. Secondary 8 megapixel ultra wide that one 5 megapixel macro shot. Okay, how does it perform? Because Huawei P30 its flagship phone a same 40 megapixel lens now mid-range device. Okay, now time 7:25. It's not evening, not night. It's middle. Okay, how does it perform this device on this time? What do you think, guys? Okay, first look the camera. It's normal lens, not a night mode. I'm take one shot. Yeah, looking is really different. Okay, take one shot. This place. Okay, it's done. I'm show first sample without night mode. Yeah, its quality is not bad, guys. Reality versus sample. It will build brightness. Okay, I'm take another shot with night mode. Okay, so night mode. Okay, take one shot. Okay, processing time only 4 seconds. Darkness place processing time 6 seconds. Yeah, it's not bad. Photo look like 3 to 4 p.m. But now current time it's 7:25. It's really cool. Okay, guys, I'm share some 40 megapixel samples, normal view and cropped view. So just look, guys, how is it Honor X10 40 megapixel sample quality? It's photo quality.
I shall pray for you. I shall pray for you. I shall pray for you.